Don't shake the present. Hi, I'm Larry. This is my present. I really want to open it, but I'm not supposed to yet. Maybe we can find out what's inside. Can you knock on the present gently? Can you shake the present a little? Oh no! Now my present is teeny tiny. Try shaking it up and down. That definitely didn't work. See what happens when you shake it side to side. Too big. Quick, shrink the present with your fingers. Much better. Oops! I accidentally untied part of the bow. If only someone would pull the other end of the ribbon. We're so close. All we have to do is flip this lid. Can you help? Wow! Ah! Boing! Doing! Oh, hi, Santa. Sorry I opened my present early. Ho, ho, ho. It's okay, Larry. Your real present is something you're always allowed to open. This book.